These are my top picks when it comes to tech for your personal protection this year. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and well, with all of the reports about rising crime in cities across the US, it's more pertinent than ever to protect ourselves in any way that we can. These simple yet high-tech devices and apps can make anyone feel safer, whether you're out in public or even on your own at home. First up, Birdie. It's the original personal safety alarm for women by women. It's a lightweight keychain accessory that's even lighter than a key fob, but it lets out a big sound. When activated, which is easy as pulling off the bottom portion of the design, it emits a loud alarm and flashes a bright strobe light to deter attackers. The handy keychain will make anyone feel safer and will cost you about $30. Next up, Sabre created this little alarm that can be attached to your window or door and lets out a loud siren if it's open. It's super easy to install, and when set to alarm mode, it's loud enough to alert you and possibly your neighbors of any intruders. You can also turn it off or put it in chime mode if you place this on a door that's used regularly. Next, they sound simple, but tactical flashlights are often used by police and military and in conjunction with firearms. The average citizen can benefit from these because they're so bright that they can stop the approach of anyone suspicious, help get someone's attention if you're in need, or they can even be used as a blunt weapon if necessary. Finally, Flare is a company that creates safety bracelets that connect to your phone. This product only pairs with iPhones at the moment and requires you download the Get Flare app. Once you've signed up on the app, you can pair your Flare bracelet to it, and your bracelet will be able to tell friends, family, or 911 your exact location if you ever need help. Flare offers a fake phone call feature that can be activated with the press of a button on the side of the Flare bracelet. You can also hold down the button for 3 seconds, and Flare will send a text to up to 5 people of your choice to ask them to check in with you and give them your GPS location. You can also opt to have this feature reach out to a 911 operator and have them text and call you to make sure you're okay. For more ways to use tech to change your life every day, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.